What's up, beautiful people? Welcome back to our channel. It's your girl Grace. How are you all doing today? If you are new here, please click that subscribe button so that you can join the Grace Beauty Squad. Anywho's, in today's tutorial, your girl will be showing you how I did this mini puff or bubbles on my 16-month-old daughter. If you don't know, I have twin babies and they are 16-month-old. I have a boy and a girl, so I just wanted to put it out there. This tutorial is super simple, easy to do, even if you don't know how to braid at all. Anyone can master this hairstyle just by watching. First off, I'll be moisturizing my daughter's hair with my rice water conditioner. The video of how I make rice water conditioner for massive hair growth will be up on my channel very soon. Then I'll apply my homemade hair butter on her hair. This video is very self-explanatory, and I make sure I put down every details for you. You get what I mean? So that you can learn how to do this, okay? All right, guys, I'm just going to let you watch and enjoy this tutorial with the music in the background. But just before I zoom out, I want to remind you that I'll be doing my monetization party on the 23rd of this month, okay? I'll be doing it live on YouTube. And I have my giveaways, man. I have my giveaways both for hair products and for makeup. So please make sure you're not missing out. Make sure you are there to see, okay, and win, okay? All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for being there. For my returning subscriber, what's up? I love you all so much. And for my new subscribers, thank you so much for joining the Grace Squad. I love you, and I hope you win something too on my giveaway day. That's on the 23rd. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye.